today. So today I have a big Goodwill haul for you guys. I'm going to show you guys everything that I recently got at Goodwill. So hopefully if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I am a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and I like to post what sold videos, haul videos, Goodwill videos, thrifting videos, anything that has to do with reselling and thrifting. I love to post those kinds of videos, so please subscribe if you want to see more content from me. My name is Nicole, and I post videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So today I have a big Goodwill haul for you guys. I got a huge bag of items from Goodwill recently, and I thought I would show you guys everything that I got. I did want to let you know that I did spend, let's see, $56.56, and I actually got $5 rewards, so I saved $5, so that's why it came out to $56.56. It was $61.56, but I purchased, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 items for $56.56. So, if I remember, I'll show you the tag. A lot of items that I got were vintage items, so they're not like brand new, and they're not necessarily what I would consider like current brands that are selling. Some of them maybe, but a lot of these pieces I would say are between 90s and 2000s. I recently started selling on Depop. I shouldn't say I started selling because I actually haven't sold anything on there, but I've gotten quite a few likes. I did get one person that was interested in a pair of Doc Martens I had, but they haven't purchased them yet. I'm trying to get into Depop because I know that a lot of people who love vintage and like streetwear type stuff like Depop, so I'm really trying to get into it. I really would like to do more model photos for those items, so I am trying to get into it, and I'm purchasing more vintage pieces that I can list on there. So hopefully I made some good choices, but I thought I would show you guys everything. I was really excited about this bag. This is a no-name brand. I don't think there's any brand on it. Honestly, pretty sure my mom had one of these when I was growing up. I think it looked almost exactly the same as this. It is a plaid backpack. This is definitely from the 2000s. It has the zipper. Remember those guys? It has this. I was born in '86, so I was growing up in the 2000s, in the teens. I love this. I don't know, like, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to sell it because it's just so nostalgic. I love it. So I got that. This I saw a while back, so I was really happy that it was on the clearance rack. They originally wanted $8.99 for this. This is actually just Christopher & Banks. It's an older tag, Christopher & Banks, so definitely vintage. It was only $1.99 on the clearance rack, so that was awesome, and it is actually a jumpsuit. So this would probably look really cool styled. Sorry for the lighting. I was super excited to find this. I'm hoping it fits me so that I can model it. Okay, this I kind of got for myself, kind of resell. I don't have any children yet, but if I did, I would definitely, if I had a little girl, I would want her to wear this. It is a little romper, and it's denim. Isn't that cute? There's no size tag on it, but it was only 99 cents, so I'm like, I'll put it maybe away just for someday maybe. Okay, this is a swim top, like a tankini top. It goes like this, so you'd wear it like this, and it's got like this chain link. This is actually Vince Camuto, which is why I purchased it. Some people really like Vince Camuto. And it's just a tankini top. I don't know if it'll sell this summer or not, but it was only like $2, so I picked it up, and it's a really nice style. This I absolutely loved. I absolutely loved it because it is so something that I used to, this is something I would have worn when I was 13, 14, 15. Remember that store Deb's that was in like all the malls? It had like all these dresses and like stuff for like juniors, and yeah, this is definitely a dress that they probably sold there. I can't find a tag on here, but I would say it is probably a size medium, maybe, or a size 6 or something. And it is just this awesome like Hawaiian tropical dress. This will look so cute over a swimsuit, so I'm definitely going to market it as also a swim cover up because I think it would be so cute. Isn't that adorable? I love that. That's definitely like Y2K, and I'll probably put that in the listing. This is actually Jones, New York. There. And it's definitely, it's 100% silk, and it's definitely like one of those 2000s dress. It's very, very cool looking, tropical. Isn't that pretty? I'm just really looking, into the 2000s stuff. Like whenever I see stuff from the 2000s, it's like very nostalgic, and yeah, I really like it. Okay, this is actually a linen dress, and I don't think it's anything. It's called Virgo 2. It's linen and rayon. It's a size 8, and it's like a maxi dress. And it's got this design here. I'm not sure if that's like Aztec or Hawaiian. I'm not sure, but it's a long pink maxi dress. So I picked it up for $2.50. So it was 50% off the pink color tag. I don't know. If anyone knows what that's supposed to be, maybe let me know. It's just supposed to be like Aztec. It kind of looks Aztec or Mayan. I don't know. I picked it up because I thought it was kind of interesting vintage looking. I've never heard this brand, but there was a few sold comps on Poshmark that looked decent, so I did pick it up. Plus I figure if it doesn't sell, I'll keep it for myself because I kind of like the style. It's called Southern Spirit, and it's a hoodie. Kind of a little bit cropped. Yeah. So, and it's got these are the ties for the hood. I don't know, I just thought it was cute, so I picked it up. This is definitely vintage, and I'm going to put this on Depop. I'm going to style it, I think. It's called Lori of California. It says it's a size 10. Lori of California. It's like this really interesting. This was also only $2.50. It's like this really interesting pattern. It's a button-up. So you definitely wear it buttoned up with like high-waisted jeans. Yeah. Style, nearly style. Okay, I wasn't sure if I should get this or not because honestly, I had this exact top in a smaller size and it never sold. I think it did finally sell, but it took a long time. This is Holy Horses, which is Anthropology, and it's just a button-up blouse, striped. I'm thinking maybe I will model this some way, maybe tied or something, because the last one took forever to sell. This I think I got for myself. It's definitely vintage. It's just cruising? I don't know. It says it's a large, extra large, 100% rayon, made in India, probably from the 2000s or 90s. And it's just like this pattern and then the back ties. I don't know. I have no idea. I picked it up. I've been kind of looking at it the last couple times I've been out Goodwill, and I finally picked it up for $2. This I got for myself. I'm going to maybe do some type of tie-dyeing to it or bleaching. It's a size large, so it's pretty big. But I actually got it because it says Pensacola Beach, Florida. And I went to Pensacola Christian College in Florida. And I've been to Pensacola Beach, and I never got any touristy stuff from it. No souvenirs or anything. And I really miss Pensacola. Anyway, so I picked this up just for myself for like a fun, you know, warm jacket to wear at home. Yeah, that's a little info about me. I'm from Wisconsin, and I went to college in Florida, and I absolutely love Florida. I love the beach. I love the coast. Yeah. Okay, so this is by Romans. It says size 14W. This is just reminds me of like a kimono. It's called Romans. You can see it. It's a large size, but it's like a kimono, so I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to sell it and just say what size it is, but I'll probably model it myself too. It's just like a really cool, almost Japanese style. I just thought it was pretty, so I got it. And then I got this. I got this for a specific purpose. I'm really into tie-dyeing right now. I don't know. I think I'll probably tie-dye this. It is new with tags, so that does kind of sadden me to tie-dye it, but it's just a Ralph Lauren size 4 petite, and it is a white denim, like, blazer jacket. It has the original MSRP of $175. So, but I'm pretty sure I paid half off, so it was only like $4.50. Pretty sure I'm gonna tie-dye this in some way, and then sell it as like an upcycled thing. It does have a mark on one of the sleeves. It's not bad, but it's got a little mark there. And I saw someone else who upcycled something, and it looked really cool. It was like a white denim jacket. So that's kind of why I picked it up, because I love to tie-dye. Anyway, last piece I got, I don't know if it was a good buy or not, honestly. I paid $7.99 for it, and it does need some cleaning. So I picked it up mostly because I usually sell this brand pretty quickly if it's like a lower price point, like $35, which is probably what I'll list it at unless I find something better. But it is a Dooney and Burke. This is just like a canvas. Is it called canvas? It's just like a cloth tote bag, and the inside is pink. And the little Dooney and Burke tag is in here as well. I don't think I can show it to you because I think it'll be kind of hard, but Dooney and Burke. So I did pay up for it, but because it's got like the duck thing everywhere, I think it will sell, but it does need to be cleaned a little bit. There's some animal hair on it and stuff, so but yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then see what I can sell it for. It probably won't go for a lot, but I'm hoping around 35. So yeah, that is everything. Oh, there's something else on here. Something blue. I'll have to see if I can get that off. Anyway, yeah, that's everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I do post new content on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so if you're subscribed, you'll be notified when I post that. Please leave me a comment if you have any suggestions or maybe even price points for things. A lot of stuff will be listed in my Poshmark closet, and I'll have that linked in the description more than likely by the time this video comes out. So if you see anything you like, check it out. Let me know if you saw my video, because I'll definitely give you a discount. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate all of my new subscribers. I'm still a pretty tiny channel, but I really appreciate everybody who's commenting and liking this video and subscribing, because it really does help my channel and the YouTube algorithm, so I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye!